As we come to a close at NPE 2024, I want to thank David for a wonderful job and all his hosting of our newscast here at the Wittmann booth in the West Hall of 3043. I also want to thank our staff for doing a phenomenal job putting this together, pulling this show off. It really was wonderful. I want to thank all of our attendees and fellow exhibitors. I really appreciate everybody's support. And we come to a close to another wonderful show. And I just want to thank you all for coming. And remember, it's all Wittmann.
Consulting role. Sorry, cut. Take two. You. You're all having a great time too. Where it's all Wittmann. Your taglines are silly. Stay classy, San Diego.
We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
We're excited. Let's go back again one more time. Yeah.
Liberty Bibberty. Liberty Bibberty. Stay classy now, Orlando. This is Ron Burgundy.
Chamber and has the correct blade configuration for the. Sorry, I saw it in my peripherals. I got thrown off.
Hey everybody, guess what? Day one. Pretty cool, sustainability. I like walk out, take out the twang. I had a dream last night. I had a retirement party for me, and I woke up, it was real. Please come by the Wittmann booth. We've got some really good chocolate ice cream.
I need some ice cream.
Have a great time, everybody. Bye. Liberty Bibberty. Liberty Bibberty. Stay classy, San Diego. Peripheral products, John. I'm going to start all over again because I was really screwing that one up. So I'm going to talk to you today about something that's very delicate. It's called. All right, however, Steve, we'll do it. We got to do a last cut because I up.
Oh, okay.
Fix the collar up. La 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 la. La 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 la. We're here today to talk with John Scheiser.
My name technically is John, but
I know it is.
Sorry, I'm confusing
His
you.
real name
I have two
is
names.
John. West Hall, 3043. Thanks, everybody. Remember, it's all Wittmann.
It's 4033.
No.